Alright, I'm back again for another Android tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a material design buttons. So let's get started. So first, we will create an elevated button. Means a button that doesn't have shadow. Okay. Next, a text button. And then a rounded button with an icon, and then the last button will be an outline button. So here in the Android Studio, inside the activity main.xml, let's add our before that, go to your Gradle file in your project structure, and then choose app dependencies, and let's add the design support library. Okay, then design, search it here. Okay, click OK, and let's wait for the Gradle. And after that, you can now start adding material buttons. So material button, wrap content, and let's set the text of button. Okay, so first button is an elevated button, so let's add a style on elevated button. Okay, so as you can see, doesn't look good. Why is that? Okay, text size of let's say 16 sp. Text color, say color primary. Okay, is that, wait, let's check the styles and change these to material components like dark action bar. Okay, so it changes the color. So let's change the color accent. So anyway, it's okay that we have that color. It looks good. Okay, so next button will be if we delete this, next button will be the text button. So text button, wrap content, and then button. Let's change the text into text button. And then the style, material components button, text button, which is a text button. Where is it? Here. Okay, let's fix the layout. So You can see the changes. Okay. Add a margin. Next button will be button icon rounded. Okay. Material button, of content, from content, text off, rounded button. Okay, let's connect it here. Change the margin. $16. Set it to 0. Okay. Here, back to the text tab. Okay, so let's add a corner radius of 16 dp. Okay, so as you can see, we have now the rounded button. So let's add a icon. Wait, did I miss something? Oh, the style. Okay, icon, button, button, icon. Okay. Doorbell left. Wait, we don't have any icon, so let's add an icon here. If you have any icons, just use it. But for me, I just add a icon in the material icon generator. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Here, plus icon. But if you don't have this material icon generator, you can get it. You can get my icon in the description box below. I will add the codes there, so just check it out. So let's add an icon here. What's the name of our icon? Add. Okay, as you can see, it looks good. Alright, next button will be outline button. This is our last button, so you should make it look very nice. Okay, so let's move it here. Add a, wait, no, 16 dp. Okay, so outline button, button, outline button. But if you want to have an icon, you can choose it. Okay, as you can see, you have now the outline button. Oh, but I will not add an icon it's okay if I'm okay with that. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's test it to so let's test it in a running device. Okay, now our app is ready. So as you can see, it looks very nice. Okay, if we click it, it shows some ripple color. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do it. Material design buttons. Hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a productive day.